In this video, we're going to show how to overlay a front door unit with sidelights. Most people assume can't be repaired when it gets dented or crushed. We will show how to repair the threshold without removing the door. No demolition and no damage to the existing finishes. You'll see how the overlay fits right over the old threshold, creating a durable, professional-looking repair without downtime or costly disruption. This is a fast, easy, and clean solution to keep your project on time. Using a scrap piece of the aluminum threshold overlay as a gauge, undercut the door jamb so the overlay can slide cleanly underneath. Undercut the sidelight gasket to create clearance for the overlay, ensuring a tight, finished look along the sidelight. Undercut the center mullion so the overlay can pass beneath it and sit flat across the entire opening. Repeat the undercut on the right side jamb, matching the gauge height so the overlay fits evenly from side to side. Test fit the aluminum overlay and confirm that it slides easily under the jambs and sidelight without binding. Apply vertical beads of silicone to the existing threshold to secure the overlay and seal out moisture. Slide the aluminum overlay onto the existing threshold and press it into place, wiping away any excess silicone for a clean finish. Run a bead of silicone along the side jambs where they meet the overlay to seal gaps and lock the repair in. Apply silicone along the backside edge of the overlay to complete the perimeter seal and prevent water intrusion. The finished aluminum threshold overlay provides a durable, professional-looking repair with no demolition and no damage to existing finishes. Builders Repair Solutions. www.buildersrepairsolutions.com. Fast, easy, cost-effective threshold repairs with no demo and no disruption to finished surfaces.